this colorful place. This is WordNest Junior Kids channel. We learn with fun.
My dear friend, I've done observation, but what is this 2.0?
Observation 2.0 means extra attention. Eyes and brain both.
O-N! So just looking isn't enough?
I sleep as soon as I look. No Gillo. Observe everything. Colors, sounds, and changes. You mean even teachers' mood and homework hints?
Absolutely. Smart students always catch at that.
My observation skills have been upgraded.
Observation 2.0 equals Super Learner Mode. Bye-bye, kids. See you in the next video. Take care, children. See you soon with a new word.